A to Z, come along. Let's sing the alphabet song. Learn the letters, move your feet. This adventure can't be beat.
A for apple, pick it high. B for bounce, reach for the sky.
C for clap, give a cheer.
D for dance, shake it here.
A to Z, come along. Let's sing the alphabet song. Learn the letters, move your feet. This adventure can't be beat.
E for elephant, stomp around.
F for fly, don't touch the ground. G for giggle, let's all laugh. H for hop, take a big leap fast. A to Z, come along. Let's sing the alphabet song. Learn the letters, move your feet. This adventure can't be beat. I for ice cream, scoop it up. J for jump, just don't stop. K for kick, strong and slow. L for leap, give it a go. M for march, left and right. N for nod, keep it light. O for owl, hoot out loud. P for point, to the crowd. A to Z, come along. Let's sing the alphabet song. Learn the letters, move your feet. This adventure can't be beat. Q for quick, run in place. R for run, at a fast pace. S for stretch, reach up high. T for twist, give it a try. U for under, duck down low. V for vanish, where'd you go? W for wiggle, side to side. X for xylophone, play with pride. Y for yawn, stretch out wide. Z for zoom, let's take a ride. Now we've learned our ABCs. Let's adventure more with ease. A to Z, we had fun. Our alphabet adventure's done. Learned the letters, moved our feet. Till next time, when will we eat? A to Z, we had fun. Our alphabet adventure's done.